welcome back. Your personal brand is how others perceive you in your industry and network. It is not just about your skills or job title, it's about your reputation, the value you bring, and how you communicate that value. Building a strong personal brand can create opportunities for advancement and help you stand out in a competitive job market. Start by thinking about your unique strengths and what sets you apart from others in your field. What are you known for? What do you want to be known for? Once you have a clear idea of your personal brand, focus on consistently communicating it through your actions, your online presence, and your interactions with others. Additionally, social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook are powerful tools for building your personal brand. Share your expertise, engage with your network, and position yourself as a thought leader in your industry. So, today's action step: take a look at your LinkedIn profile or Facebook profile or other online social media presence. Is it aligned with your personal brand? If not, make a small changes today to better reflect who you are and what you stand for. So let us recap. Building a strong personal brand is essential for your career advancement. Take control of how you are perceived by aligning your actions and your online presence with your personal goal. Please do not forget to subscribe for more career insights. Happy learning. This is Mandar Kulkarni signing out for now until we see once again.